Most people char their vegetables into ash or leave them raw inside. The secret? Temperature control and the right prep method make all the difference between soggy, burnt produce and perfectly caramelized sides. Step 1. Cut vegetables evenly. Slice zucchini, peppers, and eggplant into quarter-inch pieces. Uniform size ensures they cook at the same rate. For mushrooms and tomatoes, leave them whole or halves them. Step 2. Coat lightly with oil and season. Toss vegetables in a bowl with olive oil, salt, and pepper, about 2 tablespoons of oil per pound of vegetables. This prevents sticking and creates browning. Step 3. Preheat grill to medium-high, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place vegetables perpendicular to grill grates or use a grill basket to prevent them from falling through. Grill marks appear in 3 to 4 minutes. Step 4. Flip halfway through and cook until tender. Total time is 8 to 12 minutes depending on thickness. Vegetables are done when they have caramelized edges and a slight give when pierced with a fork. Pro tip: don't move vegetables constantly. Let them sit for 3 to 4 minutes per side to develop color. Moving them too early prevents caramelization and creates steam instead of browning. What's your favorite grilled vegetable? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.